Meaning of diving.
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 Diving. Diving is the activity of swimming or moving through water while holding one's breath and exploring the underwater environment. Divers typically wear specialized equipment that allows them to breathe underwater for longer periods of time. The result of diving can be a wide range of experiences, including seeing marine life up close, discovering shipwrecks or other underwater treasures, or simply enjoying the sensation of weightlessness and the beauty of the underwater world. Diving can be both a recreational activity and a professional field, with opportunities for research, exploration, and even rescue missions.